So today we are baking a red velvet cake with my cousin. This is today's YouTube video. Click the subscribe button and the bell button for new videos every week. Look at her. So the ingredients that we're going to use today is sugar. Give me some moment, please. Baking soda. Baking soda. Vinegar. Oh, this is blubbant. This is my own way of saying blubbant. Blubbant. Cocoa. We say cacao, not cocoa. Cacao.
Cocoa.
Okay, cocoa. Red food coloring because we are making a red velvet cake. So yeah, vanilla extra. Is it extra? And flour. There is flour. So yeah, this is my cousin. This is who we're going to collaborate with in the video. Yeah, so welcome aboard, guys. Welcome aboard. Let the work begin. Hey, you fit being an
hostess.
Ai! Inabidi tu. Adhira imekubaliana ni plain red velvet cake. Dorini sura yake hapo inaonekana vizuri kwenye camera. Atasema najua. Okay, so now it's time for the can I pronounce it? Flour. Yeah, flour.
Kuna siku nilikuwa nimeenda kwenye hostel, nimeenda chumba cha mama yangu, niko makala pili. Sasa akasema kwako na watu wengi, akasema unataka kuja kwa nani? Nikasema sijui bado, mimi nafikiria tu. Mtu akasema unataka kuwa member? Nikamwambia mimi niko tayari. Akasema mtu una confidence.
Mama, mbona hujacheka? So this process inaitwaje? Sieving. So according to our chef, this is sieving. Sina nilio.
Unaona ulivyokuwa hapa?
Unaangalia
Yeah,
you don't know. Yeah. So hii process inaitwa kuchekecha unga.
Mfanye ukijua vyombo viko hapa. Hiyo kubeba bese.
Vyombo gani? Yani vya kuosha.
Hii itatosha.
Vya kuosha?
Yani tunavyovitumia tuoshe na sisi wenyewe.
Okay, sawa.
Hii inatosha au niongeze?
Mnaonaje guys? Mbona kama naona ndogo au vitu ni ndogo ndio?
Nishikie basi.
I'm a pendipo. I'm a pendipo.
Spoon, please.
So now we are adding cocoa to the flour. It's cocoa or cocoa? Cocoa. Okay. Cocoa. Can you say it in front of the camera, please? Okay, now we are adding cocoa. How many spoons are there needed? Okay. Inaitwa sieving. This is called sieving, guys. I am very bad in English, so they're helping me sieving. Oh, so the sugar is also sieving.
If you sugar tunaikaga hapa tunachanganya na blue band. Tunachanganya na blue band.
You add up there. A chef of cake. You see the difference, guys? Okay, so I know I was just dramatizing in front of the camera. So now it's time for the baking soda. Is it soda? Is it baking soda? Ew! Is it baking soda? When was kuonekana? Is it baking soda? Umeka kwenye dirisha ndo maana. Tarehe ngapi? Kabla ya Pasaka. Yaani baada ya exactly baada ya Pasaka.
Wewe wanafungua wengi, mimi sitaki siendi. Wewe mama.
Okay, so now it's time for the baking soda. We put it there, extract hiyo string metasing. Our chef is really concentrating on the whatever she's doing. Yeah, you know. See her fingering the sewing process. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Hey, hey. Call me in the morning, see you in the hivyo vidude. Mama knows best. Okay, so now we keep on going with the process. I don't know what we are doing. This is what we have right now. Yes. Okay, so guys, now we have put butter. Somebody who doesn't have to work is her and her. So one of you, please, politely go to the sink and help Yamani back. No, like, I'm going to revenge this. This is our chef. Correct chef. Okay, so now we have butter, we have eggs, and our mixture is right there. So yeah, we're proceeding with the blah blah blah. Okay, so now it's sugar and butter, mixture of sugar and butter. We're going to mix them. Is it going to do? Yes, it's going to do. Nilimwambiaga jaka hicho kitu alikuwa ananiuliza kuhusu sukari sio nini, nikamwambia natumiaga, ndio maana natumiaga white sugar. Mimi mpaka ilifika kipindi nikawa nasaga sukari inakuwa nyeupe. Mwenyewe nilifikiria kitu kama hicho. Exactly. Mimi nilikuwa nafanya hivi. Mimi hapa nilikuwa na yani sijasema mfanya, mimi nilikuwa nasema mimi hapa. Mwenyewe niliwaza. Yani naonaga hili linakuwaga linene, kwa hiyo nasaga hiyo sukari kidogo inakuwa nyeupe, afu inakuwa laini. Kwa hiyo ndio naitumia kwenye keki. Hii inakuwa na mabonge makubwa. Hata kukoroga inakuwa na. Exactly. According to our chef. Mama, naomba nisadi. No. Nimesema tu vile vyombo viosho. Yani we use but we osha. Vitaosha. If we do cooperation vitaosha. Unasaga nini? Blender. Unasaga nini? Si kile kiblender kidogo. Kile kidogo. Oh, should I start moving? Should she start moving? that statement, should I start moving? Somebody I know, should I start moving? Okay, so now we are going to blend a little bit to blend the sugar so that we can at least do a life hack, making it some sort of a white sugar and not a brown sugar with a lot of bonge like this. You see this? We don't want this. So okay, let's get there. If you need to sit there when I write it. Mama, hii kidogo bado. Okay, so this is milk. This is sugar. No. No, what you want to do?
You're speaking, so let them see the mixture.
Okay. This is sugar and eggs and butter. So now we're going to put vegetable oil in the mixture so that we can get something even, you know, I don't know how to say this, but yes, that's what I want to say. Okay, so now this is vanilla extract. This is vanilla extract. We're adding it into the mixture so that we can get something even beautiful. Yeah, you see, have you ever baked a cake and you put like a vanilla extract? It's a very amazing smell. And,
But if you taste it,
but you taste it, kama dawa kikohozi.
yeah.
Okay, so now we have milk in our mixture and we're going to add American Garden. Okay, so we're now going to mix up a vinegar in our mixture, and yeah, we already have milk, vinegar, butter, sugar, eggs. Yeah, so we have this. So now we're going to put flour in the mixture. The mixture of flour was flour and cocoa. So now we're going to put the mixture of flour and cocoa inside the milk and sugar, butter, vinegar, vanilla. Yes, everything. You have gone through the process.
Scientific pneumonia. Do you pneumonia?
So there's
Spell. Do you
what do they call it? I don't know.
P sasa hazitajagi. P ni silent.
P ni silent.
Kwenye Kiingereza P ni silent, haitamkwi, kwa hiyo unaanza kwenye pneumonia.
Yeah.
Psychology.
Yaani kitu chenye P mwanzoni kinakuwaga silent. The last ingredient that has to go inside here is the red food coloring. Yes, this thing. So this baby here is the last thing that, yeah, malizia tu. So yeah, our mixture is getting together. So now we have put in the red food coloring. And our cake is going to officially be red in color.